Okay, so today we're going to talk about jockey pulleys and what the reason is that they are there and why you need to replace them or why you need to check them. The reason for all these are your jockey pulley, your V-belt tensioned, under tension. That's why we call it a tensioner or tensioner pulley. We usually just change the complete product because they are quite cheap. They're inexpensive if you don't buy the original OEM product. If you buy the imported one from China or Turkey or wherever, then they are fairly inexpensive. These ones, you can get all the parts separately as well. You can get the shaft, you can get this housing, you can get the arm, you can get the pulley, you can get the seals, you can get the bearings. We have everything in stock. What you should look for in a pulley is you don't want a lot of play. Now this play here, it's quite normal even on a OEM product, and you get this type of play. That means that something is worn and you need to fix it. This type of play on the shaft itself that runs on your arm, as you can see there, it is totally going to the dustbin, in and out, and then also that there, and the bearing is most definitely on the lock. What I don't like about this jockey pulley compared to these type, they do exactly the same work, they function completely the same way. It's just this one on the pulley itself, you can change the bearing, as on this one there's really no way to change the bearing or get the bearing out without a complicated process. Like I said, these things are quite inexpensive, so you can just go out and buy yourself a new one, or go buy the parts and you assemble it yourself. It's not that easy, not that hard. We can do it. Anyone else with a little bit more technical mechanical background can also do this, but this needs to be in a good proper condition, otherwise it won't tension your belt as good. Then you'll get belts running on, if you've got two single V-belts, if you've got a double V-belt configuration, the one belt will be a little bit looser because the jockey pulley actually does this. It gives away, and also it won't align. Your whole V-belt configuration will move slightly towards your blower. If you look here, the blower will sit now there with the blower pulley on above, so it will actually push the V-belts closer towards your blower, which you do not want in any case. And then you'll get a lot of wear and tear on your pulley itself that you don't want. So easy process to do. It's 3 screws. Remove something like this, chuck it in the bin, go buy yourself a new one. It's inexpensive and it's a lifesaver because it is an air-cooled engine. You require a jockey pulley, a good working jockey pulley with good running V-belts to ensure your engine does not overheat. Thank you very much.